So we're updating the LSTM here, updating the XG boost here. Fixed. All right, data loaded, complete, perfect. So now let's go ahead and see what the second step was. Run all models, test the data loader, Python run all models. Let's start with the XG boost model. So we have three different models here. XG boost, LSTM, and random forest, I believe. Okay, here we go. Processing all the files. So there's a good amount of file. Good amount of files. Good amount of files. Loaded 863,191 ticks. Okay, we got a little error though. We got a little error. Let's change it to 1 day for the XG boost model as it'll load the data faster and then we can get through the bugs and then move it to 10 days. What happened? What happened, dude? What happened? I don't know, dude. This the sale's ending, bro. So this is the finale. This is the finale. It's been here for a minute though, so you know, I gave everybody enough time. I'm giving you this little extra bonus day. I changed the changes I made. Changed 1 day to 10 days to 1 day. It looks like it's still 110 though. You know, it's a little confusing because we got the config, right? But then we also have days of data equals 10 on the XG boost model specifically. So which one do we set up? Let's go ahead and just make them individual. No, let's just put them all in the config so we don't have double, you know? Lyron, thank you, bro. 777. Much love to you. Yo, slap the freaking like button, please, please, please. Slap it, slack it, slap it, slap it, slack it, and slap it. Slap it, slack it, Discord it. Get that like button all up over your finger, dude. Just go ahead and tap it. Yo, slap the freaking like button. Just tap it a bunch of times, bro. Maybe 1 time or 2 times. No, not 2 times, but 3 times. Moon, did you see the new AI tool, Archon? It's like a super personal knowledge base and tracking projects for your work. Wow, dude. No, I haven't seen that. Is it sick? Are you using it? That's fire. I love hearing about new things. Thank you for sharing, bro. If you got something new, please drop it in the chat. Because the chat is where the magic happens. All configuration is now only in the config, my nig. Beautiful. So config here. Days of data. 1. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to that XG Boozy. XG Lil Boozy. Bring in our files. Generate. It's a good question, Lyron. That's a good question. S, what's up? We have some sketch S's up in here, bro. So please put on for the S crew, because the S crew, everybody that starts with S today is kind of sketch, and then you're just only S. So you come in with a 777, so you're good with me thus far. Thank you. Your attitude determines your direction. Let's get it. Let's get it. Backtesting XG boost strategy now. Okay. She backtesting it too. Interesting.